Interconnect in GCP is the highway for data in the cloud. It's the super fast connection between on-premises network and Google Cloud Platform with Interconnect. You can transfer data securely and quickly, bypassing the public internet for better performance. It's like having a VIP lane for your data. Ensure smooth and efficient communication between your system. So, if you want your data to travel at lightning speed, Interconnect is the way to go in GCP. As you can see here, I have mentioned all the points about interconnects in Google Cloud Platform. You can go through it. In Google Cloud Platform, there are three main types of interconnect option: dedicated interconnect, partner interconnect, and carrier peering. Dedicated interconnect provides a direct physical connection between your on-premises network and Google network. Partner interconnect allows you to connect to Google Cloud through a supported service provider. Carrier peering enables you to connect to Google Cloud through a carrier at select location. Each option offers a unique benefits tailored to your specific needs. Understanding these interconnect types is crucial for optimizing your network connectivity. As you can see here, all the points I have mentioned for types of interconnects in Google Cloud Platform. You can go through it and read all the points about the types of interconnects. When it comes to the GCP Live project, GCP Interconnect is a game changer. It provides secure and reliable connection between my on-premises network and Google Cloud with faster data transfer speed and lower latency. My project runs smoothly and efficiently. First, it offers a cost-effective solution for scaling up. GCP Interconnect is the backbone of our success. In a GCP project, we use Interconnect when we need a dedicated connection between our on-premises network and Google Cloud. It's like having a private highway for data transfer, ensuring high speed and secure communication. So when you want reliable and consistent connectivity without relying on the public internet. As you can see here, all the important points as I mentioned here, you can go through it. In which scenario cases can you use the interconnect in Google Cloud project. As I mentioned all the point here, you can briefly read it and based on your project requirement you can implement it. Interconnect is the way to go. It's all about keeping that data flow smooth and efficient. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials coming your way soon. Thanks again for watching.